Back everybody, my name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. Alright guys, so we're breaking down Walt Disney, or DIS. That's the ticker symbol. So let's go ahead and dive in. I have my lines and graphs already set. I'll explain to you how I found them. We're on the daily interval, so we can see the overall direction and picture that our stock is in. We don't want to start from a smaller time frame, because then we'll be trading in a vacuum, ultimately trading blind. So let's go ahead and dive in. So we're at 187. We're up about 0.89%, almost 1% for the day. The market's been open about an hour and a half. So I'm going to explain to you how I found these lines. So this top line represents the highest point that's been tested as resistance. We look left, you guys. We have these two candlesticks that came up, ultimately got rejected back down to our major support line. We look left again. We have this other candlestick in this area. So we have about 3 candlesticks that have tested this area. You want to test an area at least 3 times in the highest and lowest points to create your support and resistance lines. And then this goes for our support line down here, you guys. We have about 3 or 4 candlesticks bouncing off of this level. We have about 1 or 2. We can count this one because it's in the same vicinity. And then we have another 3 or 4 here. And then one last one over here, and we can continue to test this by back testing even further if we needed to, but you can see obviously these 2 candlesticks on the opposite side working as resistance. You have about these 3 in the same level, so this is a heavily tested area, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive into where we're at. So this red line was the downtrend that we were in. The only problem is that we just broke above this, you guys. So we don't really have a 100% clear direction. So basically, we're not really in a downtrend anymore, but we're not really in an uptrend either. So the thing is that we want to have a clear direction before getting into any stock, you guys, so that way we can have the best entry possible. Like I said, for every stock that you're going to get into, you need a trading plan. You need to know when you're getting out, when you're getting in, and then obviously your first target, you guys. So honestly, the best thing that you could do is just wait for the best opportunity, and that being back down here at the support level. If it does come back down here, that would be a great buy opportunity, and that is around the 183 or 184 area. And then obviously have your stop loss below this candlestick or these 2 candlesticks, just to give yourself a little bit of a wiggle room, just in case it does drop below this, like a wick. So you don't get tagged out from a candlestick wick. That would that's not ever fun. But like I said, you always want to protect your account just in case things do go sour. But like I said, wait till we get to this support line. That'd be a good buy opportunity. Or if we do break above this minor resistance, as you can see that we came down, came up, hit our minor resistance, we look left, we have all these candlesticks in this area. We pulled back down, created a higher low, and now we're just kind of up here consolidating. So like I said, you could either, the first opportunity would be down here at the 183, 184 level, have your stop loss below that, the 180 or 179. And if we do break above this and we break this this minor resistance, wait for this to come up and come back down and retest this new minor resistance as a floor, that being in the 191 area. And then obviously your stop loss would be below that, and then your first target would be back up here at the $200 level. And if you do get back down here at the 183, your first target would be the previous highest point from where we were at, that minor resistance at the 190 level, you guys. So wait for the best opportunity. If you guys like how I break these down quickly and efficiently, hit that like and subscribe button. Like I said, you guys can put stocks below and I will break them down for you. I actually had a list that you guys gave me basically yesterday, so I'm just kind of going through them all, so don't forget to check those out and to see if you can find any stocks for a good opportunity that you could get into. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading, and I hope you learned something.